Well, it is now midnight and I am still installing the Unreal Engine. By my calculations, it's not going to be ready until about noon on Saturday. My Epic Game Installer just keeps fluctuating between 0 bytes per second and ooh, look at that, a whole whopping 56 kilobytes per second. It is now 1 in the morning and we are downloading consistently at around 0 bytes per second. It's now 2 a.m. in the morning. It is now 3 a.m. in the morning. I'm tired. I'm pissed off. I haven't contributed a single thing to my Game Jams team. I'm going to bed. And when I wake up, it better be ready to use. So, as you can see, it's now 10 in the morning, and Epic Games has still failed to install